Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to use ChatGPT in companion mode. So right now, this is regular mode, and you have to download ChatGPT for the desktop to understand what I'm talking about here. So the difference is that yeah, you have ChatGPT right here, and you're able to ask it anything, say hello to YouTube type time, and it'll stay here, right? But it'll go away. So when you click this, it'll go away, right? But if you open ChatGPT in companion mode, you have to go to the bottom of your taskbar. Make sure ChatGPT is on your taskbar here. You right click it, and then it's going to say open companion window, and you're going to hit open, and it's going to open companion window right here. So you can keep it just like this, and yet again, say hello to YouTube right here, and you go to Edge, still right there. It's companion mode. So that means it basically stays pinned to the top. So no matter what you do, it stays above everything, which is pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Because if you need to do other things, it's right here, right? Hey yo, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. If you have more questions, ask me in the comments, yo. You already know what it is. Peace.